But these masterpieces
Welcome to my vlog.
are done already. The judges have said it already.
Hey guys,
And, they're doing the mark. Now, how does the mark go? It's all about the lineage, the thickness, the design, the creativity,
Video,
the time of the
Dugay-dugay na hindi nakapasyal. Ngayon napamasyal
the
mo na kami.
idea of it, and then it comes out
Yan.
what you see. Definitely usually takes more than 2 hours to do something like that.